Hi, my name is Peter. I am from thisfoodzone.com and we offer bookkeeping services to small business owners. And with the help of today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Quicken to QuickBooks. It means your Quicken data can be easily transferred to QuickBooks Desktop. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly start from Quicken first. Let me go ahead and open Quicken. Just for the safer side, what I will gonna do now, I will gonna create backup of my Quicken data file just to ensure the safety of my data. The reason being why I'm doing it, if there would be any fallback in between the process, okay, I will be on the safer side. Okay, so let me quickly go ahead and create a backup first. Okay, create a complete backup and save backup. Quicken starts to create a backup now. You can see here it has successfully created a backup. Let me click on OK and let me go back to file menu again, and you can see there is an option called show this file on my computer. Let's go ahead and quickly click on this one. So the file which you have opened at the moment, this is the Quicken file. Once you click on that option, at the very bottom there would be an option of yellow color folder which we known as File Explorer. It will gonna open up the location of your data file. You can see here this is the location of my data file at the moment. Here it is. Okay, so what I will gonna do, I will gonna simply close this window and close Quicken on my end. Okay, and let's go ahead and open QuickBooks Desktop. I am using QuickBooks Pro Plus 2024. Okay, and I will show you how you can move the data from Quicken into QuickBooks. Okay, so first what I will gonna do now, I'm gonna create a new company file just to showcase this thing, how it can be done easily. Okay, so let's go ahead and let me go ahead and do this way. There are two options to do this. Okay, to transfer your data. Once you try to create a new Quicken, QuickBooks company file, you can get this window. There would be an option here at the bottom on the left hand side. It says open existing file, convert Quicken data. Okay, convert other accounting software data. My suggestion is to avoid this option from here at the moment. Okay, simply go ahead and choose this option and start setting up your new QuickBooks company file here. So let's say I am creating this on behalf of one of my client at the moment. So I will choose this option for someone else and then I will gonna click on start setup. Let's assume we are taking the name of the company. I am gonna give my company's name here, TSD Bookkeeping. Industry would be bookkeeping, okay, accounting or bookkeeping. Assume I am the sole owner of the business, okay, and this is the, you can say, our email address for register this into the QuickBooks here. Okay, and this is our contact email. In case you have any doubts, you can contact us on this email address and then click on create company. QuickBooks will going to go ahead and start creating a company file within a minute or two. Once the file is created, now it is an important time how you can import the data from Quicken software to the QuickBooks software. Let me go ahead and quickly show you how it will going to be done. Okay, so it is creating. Okay, so the file has been created. You can see, okay, the name of the file you can see at the top, TSZ Bookkeeping. So let me go ahead and show you this thing here. All right, so you can see it here. You are all set, and let me close this window. Close all the windows at the moment. It will gonna give you some notifications. Close each and every options. Once everything is set up, go to the file menu on the QuickBooks at the top here, and then go to utilities and go to convert. Then click on from Quicken. Here I'm gonna choose before converting your Quicken data, click view help to learn about the conversion process. You can click on it. In my situation, I will simply go ahead and click on convert here, and it is asking for the Quicken data file. My data file is saved here onto this folder. It depends on your Quicken data file location where the file is saved. You can browse the location and you can go over there. Okay, in my situation it is over here under the documents. Let me click on Quicken, and here it is, Quicken 2024, and let me click on open, and here we are. I will what name here, what name you would like to give in the QuickBooks. Now I will choose this one, TSZ Bookkeeping. This is the one that we created, so I will gonna keep it this one and click on save. Just give me 1 second here. Let me cancel this. Just give me 1 second here. This is I can say an internal problem with the QuickBooks. All the time whenever we restore the file, it has been seen by me a lot of times in the past as well. Whenever I'm trying to create a new QuickBooks file and choose the existing name, it generally shows this message, but it is not showing us properly. So this is some kind of a bug or something. Let me go ahead and close QuickBooks quickly here from the task manager, and I will start all over again. Quickly go ahead and close QuickBooks from the task manager. manager, and here we are. Let me reopen it again. I'm sorry about that. So let's go ahead and here we are. And so the QuickBooks file is open again. Okay, you can see at the top the name of the file, TSZ Bookkeeping. So let's go back to the file menu again here at the top left corner, and then go to Utilities, Convert from Quicken, and Convert, and then Quicken. This is the file that I really want to convert, and the name you would like to give into the QuickBooks. Let's assume I would like to give a name to this company file which I'm transferring from Quicken to QuickBooks Desktop. I would like to give a name TSZ Bookkeeping, and here it starts to create a new Quicken company file, and it will start moving the data as well. You will be able to see it in a quick second now. So let's go ahead, and here we are. It is converting our Quicken data now. You can see Quicken file that I'm using at the moment. It is very small, so that's why it did not take a long time. But I have seen a lot of users having like years of data into the Quicken, so that's why it may take some time. But in our case, for this video, it did not take that long. So you can see here in QuickBooks, every pay name must be on a list. So let's click on OK. Would you like to view or the names list now? Display list. Angelians, like these are my customers. Let's click on OK. Let's click on OK. And you saw that Quicken was successfully, Quicken data has been successfully imported. Let's create password here. Okay, let me go ahead, and here we go. Let me make backspace. Perfect. And let me click on confirm after creating a file password. And here we go. You can see if you had a Quicken data file password, if it is not converted as the admin password, then please create the admin password manually in QuickBooks data file. I did not had any password into my Quicken file, so it went through easily. But if you have any kind of a files put into Quicken, it may gonna ask you a couple of options at that point of time. I will say I'm doing it for the admin at the moment. I will simply say proceed from here. Okay, here we go. These are the notifications you may generally get when you are transferring from Quicken or when you're trying to open QuickBooks on your computer. So let's see here. All right, you can see now all of my accounts are here. I would like to show you as well. Let me go back. Let me minimize QuickBooks for a second here. Let me open Quicken here, and I would like to show you the number of accounts I have into Quicken at the moment. Let's see here. Here we go. So you can see on the left hand side, I have two bank accounts. One is with Wells Fargo and one is with PayPal, which I added here, and the other one is invoices account into Quicken. And you can see the same here. Let me go back to QuickBooks. On the right hand side, invoices account, PayPal, and Wells Fargo. And even though one more thing you can check, the balance of the accounts. Wells Fargo checking account has an ending balance of $800, and the same is showing us over here into the Wells Fargo checking account here as well into the QuickBooks. So that's how you can consider the transfer was successful. All right, so you can see here all of my accounts are here, and you can click on the accounts to check the information over here as well. So that's how you can transfer the data from Quicken to QuickBooks. And one more thing, once you transferred your data from Quicken to QuickBooks, your accounts or your online setup for your accounts will be disconnected. So that's what you need to set up. Then you can click on set up bank feeds, then click on yes, and then click on yes again in order to set up. I do not want to save this report. So then in order to set up the bank feeds, it means to download the information online directly from your bank to QuickBooks. That's how you can set it up in order to continue downloading the information from your bank to the QuickBooks. So that's how you can set up your QuickBooks after transferring your Quicken data. So that was it for this video. In case you have any doubts, any questions related to this video, please drop some comments on the video below in the comment section. Also, I provide bookkeeping services to small business owners. So in case you need some help related to your bookkeeping, please contact me. You can drop me information on my website. You can go to my website. You can also dial me this number. This is my direct line. Okay, in case I'm not able to answer your call, please drop a voicemail over there and I will be there for you again. And this is my email address. You can drop me an email and I will be there to reply you as soon as possible. So that was it for this video, and that's how I show how you can move the data from Quicken to QuickBooks. Just in case you have, as I said, in case you have any doubts or any other topics you would like to share, just drop a comment and I will be there for you. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.